is Will Jones with Danfoss. In today's video, I will be demonstrating the procedure for loading a database onto the AKSM800A System Manager. This will be accomplished using the StoreView Web interface. Before we get started, you'll need the following. You'll need to save the database on your computer for later use in this tutorial. You will need the IP address for your system. I am using a local setup. You will also need your username and password. Once you have entered your credentials, you can press the login button. As you can see, we will be updating the database on a supermarket currently called Marks. First thing we're going to do is hit the menu button. We're going to go to System. We'll select Database. We'll select Import Database. From here, we're going to choose the icon at the bottom that says Locally Stored File. From here, we choose to browse. The browse will pull up a separate pop-up window which may not be visible to you. I have saved the file on my desktop. I will select the file and click Open. Once you've selected your file, click Open. You should be able to import the database, and I cannot. Select Open, choose the correct database. Once you've chosen the correct database, you can select Import. The import process may take up to 3 minutes. During this process, you will be logged out of the System Manager and you will have to log back in. Once you reach this screen, select Finish. And we have a new name for our store. If we come back to our dashboard, we can see that we have all kinds of equipment into the store. This lets us know that our database was updated successfully. And this completes our tutorial for how to update a database on the Danfoss AKSM800A System Manager using the StoreView Web interface. Thank you and have a great day.